Namaskar. Welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, we are learning about Mudra, an institution established to support small and tiny business enterprises or business units in unorganized sector. Mudra means Micro Units Development and Finance Agency Limited. This is not a scheme, this is an institution. The concept of Mudra was introduced during the budget session of 2015-16 by the then Finance Minister Mr. Arun Jaitley. Mudra was an institution registered under Companies Act 2013 as a non-banking finance institution. It was formally launched by the Prime Minister Mr. Modi on 8th April 2015. Mudra is a refinancing institution, therefore it does not lend directly to the entrepreneurs. Refinance is different from finance. In this context, you need to remember that refinancing institutions never finance directly to the beneficiaries. They finance to those institutions that involve indirect financing to beneficiaries. It finances those institutions which provide loans to the beneficiaries from small non-corporate sector. Non-corporate sector means those units which are not registered under Companies Act. Usually they are the small units. Thus, Mudra is for non-corporate small business sector, which is the foundation of Indian industrial and trade sectors. Small trade is the largest disintegrated sector in India. Non-corporate small business sector consists of small manufacturing units, workshops, retail shops that sell vegetables, fruits, etc. Others such as truck and taxi operators, food service units, repair shops, artisans, etc. are also included in this category. Mudra was constituted to develop micro enterprise sector in India by extending financial support to micro units under the scheme of Pradhan Mantri Yojana. Actually, the problem with small business is that they have no access to institutional finance facilities such as banks. They have lot of infrastructural gaps. They have no knowledge of technology, advanced technology, lack of managerial and marketing skills, and lack of long-term growth orientation. That is the most important drawback of this sector. Mudra is a wholly owned subsidiary of SIDBI. SIDBI is Small Industries Development Bank of India. It provides refinance to banks and other financial institutions involved in the project to micro units having a loan requirement up to 10 lakhs. Pradhan Mantri Yojana PMY was also launched along with Mudra on 8th April 2015. Mudra is assigned the responsibility of monitoring PMY. Any person who runs a small business enterprise is eligible to apply for Mudra loan. There are 3 levels identified in this loan system. They are Sishu, just base level, Kishore, partly or medium developed units, Taruni, advanced or senior units. Sishu units are the very small units which are at the beginning state, and the scheme gives more attention to Sishu units to promote entrepreneurship among new generations, especially youth. The funding support and Mudra are of 2 kinds. Micro credit scheme for loans up to 1 lakh and are financed through microfinance institutions. Refinance scheme to commercial banks, RRBs and other non-banking financial institutions which go above 1 lakh loans. MFIs provide finance to micro enterprises through self-help groups or individuals. Mudra loans are extended to transport services, other services, all small service units, etc. Food products, textile sector including embroidery shops, allied agricultural activities, equipment finance, etc. Mudra card. Mudra card is a debit card issued against Mudra loan account for working capital portion of the loan. The card holder can make use of Mudra card in multiple draws and credits to cover the working capital needs. Let us see, for example, when he has loan is sanctioned, the beneficiary is given a chance opportunity to draw whenever money is required. For that purpose, Mudra card is useful. Mudra card can be operated across the country for withdrawal of cash from any ATM, also can make payment through any point of sale machine. A simple model test, usually in the exams, competitive exams, you will get questions like that. Mudra is A scheme, B project of SHGs, C refinance institution, D multinational bank. Correct answer C refinance institution. Mudra concentrates on A agriculture, B women protection, C exports, D small enterprises. Correct answer D small enterprises. Mudra is assigned the responsibility of PMY program, rural finance, all government schemes, only SHGs. Correct answer PMY program. Mudra refinances to Sishu, Kishore, Taruni, all these schemes. Correct answer all these schemes D. Mudra card is A license, D debit card, C identity card, D name of the scheme. Correct answer debit card. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. All the best. God bless you.